Okay, welcome everybody. Now today's topic is Sun in the 8th house. I did the recording before in the beach area, but then the voice was not audible, so I'm re-recording this video. Now let's get started to the main points of Sun in the 8th house. Like all of us know that astrologically the 8th house is supposed to be the house of occult, mysterious sciences, tantra, all these kind of studies. So when Sun sits in this particular house, that simply means that all the hidden knowledge that is secure in this particular hidden house is going to get brightened up because of the Sun being out there. Now, many people say that this positioning is not good because Sun is supposed to be a very energetic planet, and when this particular planet comes in the 8th house, it loses its strength and energy. But that's not completely correct, because even if your Sun is in a low degree astrologically, it can be strengthened through different practices of astrology and remedies. Now, when I talk about remedies, I do not mean that you start spending your money on unnecessary activities and get exploited. What I mean is that there are different meditation practices through which you can actually activate your Sun. Now, reasons why I'm talking about Sun in the 8th house is because many of you have written mails to us that they have this positioning with other planets sitting along with Sun in the same house of astrological positions. So now if you have this placement, it's a great position if you're into the field of spiritual healing or meditation or occult sciences, because out here it's all about the hidden things that cannot be seen by the normal naked eye to the normal people. But if you're a healer and if you're somebody who's into research work of occult sciences and mysterious knowledges, you can have the capacity to diagnose, to do a case study of such deep activities, which is maybe of a different dimension altogether. Even these days you can actually see that you have these very famous series of ancient aliens which come on History Channel and the international channels, they're trying to explain all the mysterious knowledge things, the secrets behind it, which are back from the Indian mythology and the Indian Vedas. So what is actually happening is this Sun in the 8th house gives you, if it's strengthened and activated, it gives you a very popular, it gives you a very high degree of recognition in the field of occult, in the field of astrology. So you can utilize this to the maximum if you're in this particular field. It will also give you some of the decodings of few mysterious things which are not written in any of the books or which are not available in any further studies which are taught in today's time. So, but always remember, once you get Sun activated, you will have the feeling of excess competition, you will have the feeling of succeeding in your own field, and you will be all the time disturbed with the fact that I need to achieve this particular thing in minimum time that you have. So impatience can be one of the negative aspects when you have Sun in the 8th house and when it's energized and activated. Otherwise, it's an excellent position as far as these particular sciences are connected with it. Another thing, your ego can actually be uplifted in this particular field, because you will not surrender to the wrong when it comes to occult sciences. You will always support the correct. You will always try to give the awareness to other people who are not aware of all these hidden secrets. You will try to spread knowledge, and you will not surrender to the wrong when it comes to this particular field. You will make sure that whatever is correct, whatever is the truth, comes out in front. So great positioning, people. This is the main thing about Sun in the 8th house. I would advise people who have this positioning, they must do the research work, something to do with land, something to do with astrology, occult sciences, tarot cards, anything regarding this. It will be writing books, like I said. So that's about Sun in the 8th house. I'll see you next week with another important topic which you've been asking from on mails from us. Till then, goodbye.